friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project. Today I will share with you about the Weeks.com. On that you will get Bera USDT. Bera token, you can trade that. I will give the review of full Bera here. So you can see it here. You can join Vex here and grab these amazing rewards which is given. I already joined that. I will share that with you. You can spin win WXT. You can see win up to 10,000 WXT. You can see it here. It's given. You can join that too. They have three different campaigns on that. Welcome bonus, you will get the welcome bonus on it too. After deposit you can claim WXT instantly, and they have VIP exclusive, so you can enjoy airdrop reward and transaction fee discounts too on that. You can see it here. So if I go further on, here is the welcome. You can see I joined that so that you can kickstart your journey with 20,000 USDT here. So you can see its timing is given. My reward will be given here. You can see the reward history too, and here you can see new user reward is given, and after doing the first deposit of at least $200 you will get account which is 10 USDT here. Future transfer is given, which is given here. You can see for 3 days to claim 50 USDT, and future trading is given. You will get 5 years. You can see the terms and condition here. So further I want to share it with you about the Bera USDT, which is given here. About the Bera, you can see its price is going up, and you can see you can change it with the others. You can do order book here. You can also go for the market traders. As you can see, its price is 5.472. It is 5.12% in going up, and that time you can see open long is given, open short is given amount. You can enter the amount and you can go further for that. So I'll just close that, and you can see the their basically graph. Its price is going up. Before that it was low, and now it's again going up. You can see 1 minute and 5 minutes. You can see here 15 minutes, and in that you will get to know that its market is going up and down. You can see it here. It touched the amount which is given, which is 6 point here 2, and you can see you can also get that, and here you can see it's going up now. You can get that money from here too. You can make money in that way. You can go to the Vex, and after that you can easily be able to do deposit here. You can see the reward which is the VIP exclusive, welcome bonus, daily spin, copy trading, elite tradings. You can see they have the WE launch. They have also the copy trade option. You can go for the spot, and you can go for the future too. In that spot you can also search that one, and which is given here, Bera over USDT. I will just select it here. You can go and work on it at its price goes down, and now it's again going up and making the basically a good signals here. So you can see you can go for the order and also for the market trades here. So you can see all the details, which is the market trade and orders, all details. You can see it here. I choose that. You can enter the amount from how much you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy with a 10 amount of that, and if you want to sell you can add that and you can buy. If I go and buy with a 10, I will get 54.87. so you can also sell that too. You can post only, it is IOC FOK, and you can see you can go for the market order too. You can just go and enter the price, and you will get total. In that you can buy it at the market price. So you can see its price is now going up, and you can see it is, you can see here is a green signal going up by 1 2 3 up to by 10 they are showing here. And you can also do the future trade in the future demo. About futures funding rate, I want to just share with you about that Bera USDT Bera token. You can go and invest in that project, but before investment you can do your own research too. It is just an video, and your loss and your profit will be your own responsibility. So you can go and work on it, and it is a good opportunity in that way, but you do your own research too before investing. I just want to share with you about the Bera USDT here. So it's a brilliant thing here, so you can work on it too, as it's a listing on different exchanges like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and every other thing, and its price will more boost, and it's now on Vex exchange too. So you can easily make Vex account, get maximum bonus from here, and after that bonus you can see you can trade that too. So I share all the details. So if you like my video, give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.